The iPhone 17 Pro Max is here, and Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of smartphone innovation. With a stunning new design, a lightning-fast A19 Bionic chip, and one of the most advanced camera systems ever put in a phone, this flagship device is built to deliver unmatched performance in 2025. Whether you're an Apple loyalist, a mobile photographer, or someone who simply wants the very best, the iPhone 17 Pro Max aims to set a new standard for speed, style, and functionality. In this detailed look, we'll explore its breathtaking design, immersive display, pro-level cameras, powerful performance, and all the features that make it one of the most anticipated devices of the year. Apple has refined the iPhone 17 Pro Max with a sleeker, more durable build that blends aerospace-grade titanium with reinforced ceramic shield glass. The edges are now slightly more curved for a comfortable grip, while the matte texture on the back minimizes fingerprints and smudges. Available in elegant new finishes like Midnight Titanium, Arctic Blue, Sunset Gold, and Space Black, the phone feels premium the moment you hold it. The redesigned camera island sits flush with the body, giving it a cleaner and more balanced aesthetic. At just 7.6 mm thin and weighing around 215 grams, it's lighter yet sturdier than its predecessor, making it ideal for both style and everyday use. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR promotion display with an upgraded micro-LED panel. Offering a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, every swipe, animation, and frame looks impossibly smooth. The peak brightness has been boosted to 2400 nits, making it incredibly easy to view even under direct sunlight. HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and ultra-accurate color calibration ensure movies, games, and photos look as vivid and lifelike as possible. Thanks to slimmer bezels and a smaller dynamic island, the display offers an even more immersive edge-to-edge experience. Apple's camera innovation reaches new heights with the iPhone 17 Pro Max's triple-lens Pro camera system. The main 48MP sensor now comes with a larger aperture for superior low-light performance, while the upgraded 48MP ultra-wide lens captures more detail in every frame. The new 12MP periscope telephoto camera supports up to 10x optical zoom, a first for iPhones, bringing distant subjects closer without losing clarity. Advanced computational photography powered by the A19 Bionic chip delivers stunning night mode portraits, crystal clear 8K video recording, and professional-grade ProRAW images. The 16MP TrueDepth front camera has also been enhanced for sharper selfies and improved Face ID accuracy, even in low light. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is Apple's new A19 Bionic chip, built on a 2nm architecture. This powerhouse delivers up to 20% faster CPU performance, 25% faster GPU speeds, and improved AI processing for everything from gaming to real-time photo enhancements. With up to 1 TB of internal storage and 16 GB of unified memory, the phone handles multitasking, editing, and high-end gaming effortlessly. 5G plus connectivity ensures lightning-fast downloads and uploads, while Wi-Fi 7 compatibility future-proofs your device for the fastest wireless speeds available. The iPhone 17 Pro Max packs a larger 5000 mAh battery, offering up to 30 hours of video playback on a single charge. The upgraded 45W wired fast charging can get you from 0% to 50% in just 15 minutes, while the improved 25W MagSafe wireless charging makes topping up convenient and efficient. Apple has also optimized battery health management, ensuring the device retains maximum longevity even after years of daily use. The iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on iOS 19, introducing new AI-powered features like smart contextual assistance, live language translation in calls, and adaptive app layouts. You also get an IP69 water and dust resistance rating, improved stereo speakers with spatial audio tuning, and an upgraded U2 ultra-wideband chip for even more precise location tracking. Enhanced haptics provide a richer tactile feel, while satellite-based emergency calling now supports two-way text communication in over 50 countries. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward in every category. From its luxurious titanium design and microLED promotion display to its groundbreaking camera technology and A19 Bionic performance, this is Apple's most complete and future-ready iPhone yet. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or switching to Apple for the first time, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers everything you could want in a flagship, and more. In 2025, this device sets the gold standard for what a premium smartphone should be.